Alright, welcome back. Lesson 19. We are going to do a lesson on math. We're going to see how Alice can do math. Woohoo! Alright, let's open this thing up. Now, first of all, you need math to do certain things. Let's say you're trying to calculate, let's say you got a job over at Sonic's, and they're going to pay you $7.50 an hour, and you work 3.5 hours. Well, you know how much you're going to get paid, right? 3.5 times 7.5. Now, see, that's why math's important, because money, money, money. All right, let's do another problem. Let's do a real. I mean, this is kind of a simple problem, but let's say we want the computer. We want to ask the computer a question. You ask the computer the diameter of a circle, and the computer will return the radius. It'll tell you what the radius is. All right, everyone knows that's pretty simple, right? Basically, if the diameter is 4, the radius is going to be 2. It's going to be half of it. So, but let's see how we would do this using a little math in Alice. Okay. Well, the first thing we need is the radius and the diameter, and those are our variables, because the person you ask in the program, you're going to ask him what the diameter is, and then it's going to spit back a radius. So let's create our two variables. We've got diameter, and we're just going to set it to 1 for now. That's, as you remember, that's just a placeholder. And there's our radius. Set it to 1. Just another placeholder, folks. Okay. So, what we're going to do now is we are going to bring the diameter down. And as you can see, it's set to 1. Now we can set the value on this baby. And we are going to tell the let's see, we'll use a 1 again as a placeholder. All right, now remember, this is our question. So now at this point, we need to go up to the world. Do you remember how to do this? We go to the world, and we look for the function that asks the user a question. All right, so we're going to be looking for a number. So we're going to ask user for a number. Let's bring it over here, put it in the 1 thing. That was just a placeholder for us, right? And we're going to type in enter the diameter of a circle. Now, I actually did this earlier today, so you can see that it's already in there. But, for you, you'll hit other, and then you'll type in enter the diameter of a circle. All right, very good. So, start it up. It asks you what the diameter of the circle is. Good. Okay. The next thing we want to do is we want to have it determine the value of the radius from this. So the way we do this, we are going to bring the radius down, because we want to know what the radius is. Okay, see how this is radius equals, we're setting the value of the radius to something. All right, and why don't we start, let's set it to the diameter first. Okay, and the diameter is just going to be, we're going to modify this, but all right, so we have radius equal diameter. All right, now that's not going to work for us. We need it. How should we do this? We need the diameter divided by 2 is what the radius is going to be. So, you see the little arrow here next to diameter? Let's click on that, and look at that beautiful thing. Math! Oh, Mr. Hassler would be thrilled. Okay, so it's the diameter divided by 2. And here's plus, minus, multiply, divided by. Yes! Let's go up to 2. Sweet! All right, amazing. We asked a question. The computer gives us an answer. Now we should see if it actually works. Let's use that little print tile down at the bottom. Bring it up, and we will print out the value of the radius. All right, you ready to give it a whirl? Let's try it. Hit play. Oh, the diameter of my radius is of a diameter of my circle is 7. Value of blah 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 radius is 3.5. Wow, it did it. Woohoo! Okay, so that was not a terribly difficult example, but at least it shows you how to use some math. And in the next example, we'll use a little bit more math in here. Okay? Good, good, good. Thank you.